Hey guys, today is April 13th and it is cold today. Sun's going down and I have one more day. Tomorrow's supposed to be cold and rainy, so I couldn't get a lot of stuff done out here. I'm trying to get it finished now. I got the shed switched around and put the snowblower away and brought out the lawnmower. Didn't put gas in it or start it up yet. Not gonna do that until I actually need to. Oh goodness, sorry about my head. Anyway, I am going to conduct an experiment. Since I'm not trying to grow anything in the garden right away, I have the 3 boxes. Let me see if I can switch this around. Doesn't let me switch it around. Wonderful, 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 wonderful. All right, hold on. Okay, so what I've done was put preen, regular preen, not the vegetable garden preen, just the regular one. Sprinkled it every single place up here to see what happens. I know you're supposed to put mulch on top of it when you're done, but I don't have that kind of time, and I just want to see if it will halt some of the growth of anything while I'm gone. The strawberry bed has the cage, the chicken wire over it, so it'll still get light and sun, that's the same dang thing. It'll still get light and water, moisture from the rain. This first bed, the north bed, will be covered with landscape fabric tomorrow. I'm going to come out, whether it's raining or not, I'm going to cover it with landscape fabric and staple it down. The center bed is covered with a black plastic. I think it's about a 4 mil plastic. Right now I just have a bunch of sticks and garden stakes holding it down. And tomorrow when I bring the landscape fabric up for that one, I will bring in the stapler and staple them both down. And then on this one, since I have garlic growing at the end that seeded, it went to seed, so I sprinkled a bunch of preen in there. And I might get some cilantro, I'm not sure. That's what the groundhogs were first attracted to, right in the middle. So this one will be uncovered. We'll have one covered in plastic and one covered in landscape fabric, and see what the results are after 3 weeks. So we'll come back then and see what happens. I'm going to post this right away and let you guys comment on what you think the outcomes will be. I'm interested in seeing what everyone thinks will happen. All right, guys, peace out.